What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Toyota Highlander remote key fob. This Highlander remote key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release here that my finger's on, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now I'm going to hold my key fob with the buttons facing down, and taking a look at the bottom of it, we can see there's this notch right here that I'm touching with the end of the key. And if you notice, this key has a little bit of a lip on it. So what I'm going to do is take my key and stick it in that notch. Make sure it's all the way pushed in like that. Then I'm just going to twist the key like I'm opening a lock with a key. Like that, and as I do that, you can see it splits the two halves of the case apart. Pull the back off, and now we see our battery right here. And for this part, I'm going to get a small screwdriver or even like something with a point on it. It just needs to fit down in this notch right here. Put your tool down in that notch, get under the edge of the battery, and pop that battery out. Now I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to kind of tuck this edge in first, like that, and then snap it down into place. And then make sure if your circuit board has shifted around at all, make sure that's sitting down in there where it needs to be. And then we can snap the two halves of the case back together, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.